packing up, loading up for our camping adventure.
First one.
First one. We're now starting my favorite part of any trip, which is packing the truck. It's like playing Tetris, right?
Yeah.
So let's see, we got our GMRS radios here.
Pretty powerful things.
We're not going to pack those. Sleeping bag number 1. Sleeping pads that are inflatable. All this came from Walmart.
Yeah, like except for that though.
Yeah, we've got this is kind of a backup tent. We've had this for a while, but that's just in case we have problems with this, which is our brand new
truck
bed tent. Very excited. So then let's see, down here we've got our portable camp stove and fire pit.
That'll be fun to cook on.
Going with this, of course. We've got a blanket that is kind of ammo box.
Ammo box, gun box, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah, we've got our ammo and some
and
eye and ear protection and things like that.
Gun tripod.
Rifle rest.
I call it a gun tripod because it's literally a tripod for your gun.
Yep. We got Williams hiking boots that we've got to get in here. And then this is just a tote that we packed with some various things. Always have a fanny pack. We got a campsite lantern, some fire starters,
toilet paper,
butt wipe, some paper towels, jumper cables, duct tape, flashlight,
machete,
Bluetooth speaker, some ponchos, a couple other things. So that's just kind of some all-purpose stuff we might need. We may have to stop and get another bag of ice, but
maybe.
For our dinner tonight, we have
on the menu is
New York strip.
New York strip medallions.
Marinating overnight. Yep. Some
onion, pepper, and brats.
Buddy's favorite. Brats or brats?
I don't know. It says brats on the thing, so.
I think it's brats, but you can call it whatever you want.
Why do the onions look yellow? Greenish. That's just how they look like.
It's a yellow onion.
Oh, okay.
They're a little sweeter. I like the flavor.
Okay.
Since we have so little food that we are taking, I think I'm just going to combine this.
Got a little friend down there.
Yeah, what's that?
Stink bug.
Oh, get him off there. Come on, buddy. Adios.
Adios, amigo.
All right, this is the last of our gear. Cooler is fully packed. Got one more sleeping bag. We've got our rifle case and pistol case. I did take my boots off because I'm not driving in those, and then my duffel with clothes and a few things. So that is everything we got to get on the truck.
I was putting on another phone case.
Okay. All your stuff present and accounted for, buddy?
Yes.
Cooler, shoes easy to get to. All the stuff that we don't need until we hit camp in the back. Good enough for me.
All right, there goes the hatch. Get your coffee. It's too slippery.
Okay, we are loaded up.
And ready to go.
Ready to go pick up Pawpaw. On our way to an adventure. What you eating?
Captain Crunch.
Captain Crunch. Just showing you a different style here. How to pack a truck. This is my dad's truck. Starting the adventure. Next stop, Dip Dog Stand or farm. I'm not sure which one we're going to first. Depends on whether or not we have to pick up Everett. those beautiful mountains.
What's going on? You doing all right, buddy?
And we're here at the Dip Dog stand.
There it is.
How you doing? Doing pretty good, Darryl. You doing okay?
Yeah. Hot pink on the inside.
Hot pink on the inside.
The best.
What they use, like different color.
All your food comes in a bag with grease.
Brown greasy bag.
Yep.
Yeah, Mama said be sure to take. What a wonderful day.
Today has been great.
So far.
How close are we actually to the farm?
We're here.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna pull in right here, and he's gonna let us in.
Alright.
That's where we're headed. Okay, this is going to be our campsite for the night. We got a nice piece of level ground. We're relatively up on the high ground, so looking good.
Hooray! We're setting up tents and stuff now.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Why don't you go film Papa?
Alright. Probably should use a hammer for that, honestly. You honestly should use a hammer for that.
You gotta have something big, buddy. Yeah.
Nice. Alright, we're here. Looking pretty good, dude.
Wonder who invented these collapsible
Poles.
tent poles. Okay,
You done?
how are we looking?
Looking pretty good.
Yeah.
This is the inside of the truck tent. Pretty spacious.
Okay, now that we have camp pretty much set up, next step is we have to get our essentials ready for fire and cooking tonight. We're gonna take down this fallen limb over here. It's already broken off the tree, so no harm. It's not cheating to use a chainsaw, right?
Well, not for me, it ain't. You get my age, you do away with the axe, you take all the shortcuts you can.
Should we eat it?
Yeah.
Probably not.
I don't think I'm gonna try it.
That's a good way to get diarrhea for like 10 days. All right, we're gonna try out the Winchester Wildcat 22 long rifle.
With a scope.
We've got a target set up, about
Might as well be
20,
a sniper rifle at this point.
about 25 yards. Now let the slide go forward. There you go.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Hopefully, take your time. Yeah.
Nice job. 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. That's pretty good.
Good shooting, buddy.
All right.
We are just getting ready to start out on our hike. We're picking up this trail, going up the mountain. William is in charge of the radio. I'm in charge of
Not getting us lost.
GPS. And
Talk to me when you get to the top.
Copy that.
self-defense. This would be a great spot to do our camp if we ever wanted to camp up here
Oh, yeah.
at the top of the mountain.
Hmm?
This little clearing here. I love this spot.
All right, so Papa told us to keep going down, so
Yeah,
go ahead and head that way.
I head this way. Just through there, you can kind of see beautiful mountains back in there. Another nice little campsite. It's a little too growed up right now, but
Probably just mow it all down.
yeah, we could clear this and be a great spot to camp.
Sorry, Brian got me.
How fresh is the Dr. Pepper can?
Probably maybe 20 years old.
Exactly 20 years old. May 24th, 2004. All right, let's keep going.
There's another one.
Yep. 20-year-old Dr. Pepper cans.
Exactly 25 years old, or 20 years old.
Who do you think those belong to?
I don't know, maybe Everett? Maybe Everett, maybe...
I can promise you it's not me.
Yeah. Hey, I think we got ourselves a property line.
Yeah.
20...
Okay, so we've actually hit a barbed wire fence over here.
Okay. If you come back to your right, you'll come out over here where we're at.
It is all uphill.
Probably.
If we follow this fence up the hill, is that what we should do?
It'll bring you out over here above the pond where we're at.
Okay, that's the plan then. We're going to follow the fence. Might take us a while because it's all uphill and we're tired and out of shape, but we'll do it.
That makes you sleep good tonight.
Ha ha ha.
That was fun. We lost our trail and we literally hiked up a mountain with no trail. So I don't know if you can see how steep that is, but we just walked up that, and now we managed to pick up another trail. So I think we're on our way back to camp.
Woo!
Woo! Ah, that's a beautiful sign. Open field. We're almost back. Come on, let's finish up. Holy crap, I have no idea where we are, buddy.
Got these fuzzies all over me. Daddy? I
Yeah.
have fuzzies all over me.
Yep, I know, buddy. Back up. Back up.
We found a fence.
I don't think you're in the right place.
No shit.
You hear my horn?
Yeah?
Blow it again.
Did you hear my horn blow? rainbow behind y'all, did you?
I figured it was going to be.
Cook some dinner.
What have we been doing for the past hour?
Hiking.
No, after that.
Sitting in our trucks trying to avoid the rain.
That's right. Some wild turkeys.
I see.
Not the Wild Turkey 101.
Hey, I'm doing the recording on my phone.
Good for you.
Oh. Hi. I'll be the backup recorder. How about that? I'll record you making the food.
Cool.
Steak medallion. I mean, it's just steak, but it's cut up into tiny little pieces. So fatty steak. Very fatty steak.
How was our makeshift dinner? Everybody getting full?
Wonderful dinner.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And you
How big you want it?
break off, piece that small, and do that.
How is it?
Good.
Good and charred.
Looks like a flaming meteorite.
I know it.
Bedtime?
They're gonna have the.
Just zipping myself up.
What is that right?
Okay, this is more complicated than I thought. Am I good?
Put the sleeping bag over your head like a hoodie. You comfy?
A little bit.
Okay.
That's what we're called Carolina.
Good night, buddy.
I'm not going to bed yet.
Okay. Good night anyway.
It wasn't
Okay.
nothing to do with NASCAR,
Cool.
No. And got the wheel and everything. Yeah, but I need that piece of metal to mount it on. And it'll just roll instead of having to lug it up out of the dirt.
Okay, it's morning, or almost morning. We made it. You're cold?
I'm cold.
We made it through the night. It was pretty interesting. The coyotes were out. They were wild, and
We were having a hard time sleeping.
we actually had to fire off a couple shots to scare them away from the camp.
Okay.
Anyway, we are gonna sit here for a few minutes and try to catch the sunrise, and then after that we'll start packing up so we can head out for breakfast.
Yay!
Our turkey friends are back. I'm gonna see how close they're gonna let me get. Not that close. Have fun, guys. We'll see you around Thanksgiving. Oh, wow, look over here. Okay, it's morning. We just got packed up, ready to head to breakfast.
Yeah.
Got our campsite completely torn down. Got a little bit of wood still here for next time if we come stay in the same spot. Tent's all torn down. Ready to roll.
Ready to rock.
See you next time.